when she dey shit put. Whether na pie she dey wash for here. Ah, useless woman. I bet to say your disgrace, eh? You go bring shame to you. Her disgrace bring shame to her. She say, people when they go bring wetin pass come out. Who go bring something when pass come out? No be she. Una don't say she no well. Now she be psychiatric patient. Now she dey talk. Thank God say you yourself talk say person wey go bring wetin don't pass. Who go bring am come say e no well? You see, huh? True, you know where. Now be say your video now I take dey analyze your stupidity. You know, yeah. For there, you know where, because the matter not go far away. You not go to go the zolo. Now you go bring the zolo come out to show to people say as you get one video when whether na AB Paris blog now for seeing say she dey fool herself. She don't even know what she's saying. The alcoholic is too much. She's a drunk foolery. Whenever she's done drinking, then she will come on Facebook to come and practice her drunk foolery. It's a dumb fool. An irrelevant old fool. That is Edede no go one a better one of UK. You see your life? Mayor Genya Ope Agbe Hoke Agbe nya weda birano uwe dugbo. No ke aso wo pia won. O wa so wo pia won so we gbo won wa so we gbo won so wo won. Won no say that so me. Look at your shame and disgrace. Oh, you are a shameless fool, shameless old fool. Sometimes when she says something, she don't even know what she's saying. She won't say now she talk past. At the end of the day, you see, say everything when she dey talk goes to her. Because she's the one pumping a lot of Saga on social media, doing underground work. At the end of the day, God in heaven will disgrace her. Look at the way God have disgraced your life, your eternal life, everything about you. Look at the way God disgrace you. You that is shouting all the time, hey, do something back home, do something back home. Are you serious? Look at the place where you are. Oh, somebody that travel all the way from United Kingdom to Ewo. Look at the place where she live. Look at the place where she wash her clothes. When all your mates, they are washing clothes in their bedroom. The bedroom, they will tie it with ties. Look at the place where you are. Oh, so ridiculous. Are you serious? Look at, oh my God, look at love. Look at. Most speak America for love. Look at the place where this bitch is. All the way from United Kingdom. United Kingdom, Ewe Charlie. This woman, she's coming from Ewe Charlie. Look at the place where she wash her underwear. Look. Oh my God. Are you serious? You have spent years in Europe. You're supposed to have washing machine. Washing machine, people, they get them for house now. If you debut house now, they go connect everything. Even hot water self, they connect her. I tell her, say, come, let us take you to a primary one. Since when you go primary school, you know first go the primary school, reach primary 6, you carry belly for primary 4, Edede primary 4. That was Joby Keke. 60 something years ago when you go primary school, 1960 something, because she's almost 50, yeah, she's 56 years now. She was born 60 something, around that kind 65, 60, I think the day now wish should be born at from 65 come down. Now there if you want to search her age, that is the place you will go. 60 something go down. She was born 1960 something. Then she went to primary school. This woman, she couldn't finish primary school. She got herself pregnant in primary 4. And today, this woman, she will sat down on social media. She will be telling people that She's a motivational speaker. Somebody that couldn't finish just ordinary primary school. Ordinary primary school. Oh my God. It's so pity the idiots, the delinquents, and the illiterate people. I feel pity for them. Those people that watch you, they are more stupid than you are, because you are such a stupid old fool. She don't know her right from her left. When you push her away, she's looking for one way to order, another way to another way to just come into your life. This is only a fool at 50 to a fool to stroke full at 100. Before you know, now complete 60. Every year that add to her years, she's just practicing foolishness every day. The other day, Mama Suzy said that the something you have in your eyes is one eye is 400 euros. I say, Mama Suzy, oh, one eye is not 400 euros. One eye is 2,000 euro. The second eye now 2,000 euro. Before all these medical things, the tax you around it, when you compare around and before you know, you go knock back on. I say, no. Idiot. Useless goat. A useless woman that don't know her right from her left. From her left to her right. She says she's not normal. Did you guys listen to her stupid live video that I can't say her broadcast or her live video, or she's so stupid. She said that anybody that goes to bring things that passed years back and bring it to present, that said the person is crazy. The person is a psychiatric patient. And she's one of those people. Because this issue doesn't go far away, but she wants this issue to be far away. Then she was the one that went to go and bring something that passed almost 4 years plus now. She went there to go and start from the beginning again. That is why she always did backward. Anybody that goes backward to bring something that is past over 4 years plus, bringing it at a present, you know that person, you know they move forward. You know they move forward. How can somebody like me now? I will take myself so low. Even video of of a year, I don't feel go Zolon and come out. Yeah, I don't feel go. Wait. So I don't get what I want to use my time do. Yeah. Now they worry me. Just say I do. Now they worry me. Eh? Okay, now it kind of they motivate. My love, you are really right. She motivate her kind. You know, I kind of person like her. Now she they motivate. This is the day good day. Yes, food. Yes, food as we show her. You know, no, you know, reach where I do. Now this thing we do, my personal person. She don't finish where I do. You see, look at her. Just look at her. Somebody that buy ticket all the way from Europe. All the way from Obodojibo. Look at the place where she bent down. She's washing rubbish. I don't even know what she's doing there. Is she washing the rubber that she always pull, or she's washing her underwears or her useless brassiere? Look, oh my God. I can't bear it. Look at. Love, look at. Are you serious? See, look at. Oh my God, this woman. Oh my God, hey, I'm crying. Oh, Christ me. Please come and take me out of these people, where these people are. Oh Lord, Heavenly Father, I pray, Almighty God, please. These people, I don't want to see them again. I don't know how we leave this community. Look at the person that have traveled all the way from United Kingdom. Oh my God, Heaven. Hi. Not Mugu. Mugu.com. She's a Mugu.com. My personal person love you. Just look. Are you serious? Are you serious? Look at the place where this woman is. Oh my God. Look at the place. Oh Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my Heavenly Father. And yet I'll be on my belly. No Charlie. He said. Oh. In the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Cristo Maria. Amen. Hey, you never wake up and no defeat. Wash. How can you wash? You? Oh my God. Love, you watch this woman? Oh my God. Over 4 years now, when we with another talk, I never reach a platform one day. If anybody will say the person they follow me, her video go pump from that person. Oh, enter my wall. And they delete her. You know how many people? They'll come and say, mama, maybe you be not the quarrel. You delete, you block me. Oh. I'll say, who you they follow? You they follow the day and wish. You'll say, yes. I say, now because of the day and wish, I remove her, just block anybody that follow her. I block that person. Because, you know, when you follow her now, her video go dey pump enter anytime when you dey do video, you dey follow her video. As far as you dey follow me, then her video go dey pump through your own, dey enter my own. Once I see her, that person, I'm sorry, I take it out. I can't tell one person say, mama, you don't block me. Oh, how many accounts? He said, you know, they insult me. Oh, he said, mama, can I never insult? I said, I know, say, you know, they insult me. You know what you go do? Just go open another fake account. Anything about Edede na winch. No let her enter that account. Because if he enter that account, say you they use until they watch and you can't use and watch me. Whenever her picture, her live video pump, enter my live video, and they delete you. When I delete you, you don't finish. Be like, I have to delete you so that she will leave my platform. I will not see her in my platform. Now the person come to say, mama, I'll go open another this thing. I know we'll use that one until they look at. I say, yes, you do it that way. Not be say you insult me, you don't insult me. Because I they delete any account when from her own, they pump enter my own. I don't need her. Seriously, love, you say you can't watch that woman. Who be person when they right senses when you go watch that woman? What is she saying? As you can say, you know, can't do like this. Now you can't do like this. I don't know right there. I don't pay tie. I don't pay tie. I can't go. What's that? That's that motivational speaker when she's talking, when she know that she's lying, she have to chew the word. People that always lie, they chew word, they chew it. Because there is most people, they will say that, why is she talking like this? I said, she know what she's doing. She chew it because she know that she's lying. She have to chew it. That's how she chew her word. She chew her word. Whenever she's lying, she chew her word. You got to say, wait till they talk. She know what she's doing. She chew lie because she knows that when she open her gboza, she's going to receive juju paper gboza. Now make her she dey chew her. I know this woman finish. Always got to watch this Malu, this old fool. She's so everywhere. The first time I see this woman, she's not my taste. She's not my type. The way she do something, she don't know when it's over. She repeats when she bring the topic. They try to discharge her with another word. She will still go and bring, because she came with the topic that she wants you to do with her. But if you are trying to push her away, she's trying to bring that topic. There, I sent the kind of person she is. I said, no, this kind of a person, she can put you into problem. She will just drag you into problem that you know nothing about. That is why I said, no, this woman, I can't take it, because since I was born, grow up to this stage, I have never come across this kind of a woman. Seriously, I have made friends with Benin people. I've made friends with Igbo. I've made friends with Agbo. I've made friends, let me just say, Ishan. But the kind of attitude, I've never find it in those people that I just mentioned. But her own, I can't do with these people. That is why I take her out of my life. I can't do, no. She's so irrelevant. She has nothing to care for. Somebody that don't have something to care for, then what are you going to do with that person? She has nobody at home. She has no children. She has no husband. She just alone. Only one daughter that she have almost how many years. She abandoned the woman. She couldn't bring her daughter to Europe. Then she's irrelevant. It doesn't act as a mother. It doesn't act as a grandmother. Nothing. Then she's on Facebook there lying to people. My husband, they say, honey, your fault they ring. Honey, don't leave for us. This woman has never married for her life, for her eternal life. This woman have never married. Even white wedding, Komu wedding, this woman have never experienced it. It's just like that. But that is what she wants. But she couldn't get it. Who is going to take this woman as a wife? She's so everywhere. Look at somebody. A reasonable man that based in abroad, married to this low-life woman. This woman, she's a low-life woman. She has nothing to offer. Only what she have to offer people is when bringing problem to their life. This woman, she can serve you if you want breakfast. She can serve you breakfast with trouble. If breakfast she's serving you, just know that it's not food, it's trouble. When she serve you lunch, it's trouble. When she serve you dinner, it's trouble. Everything about this woman is, I don't understand. There is a word I supposed to use for this woman, but that word, they escaped my brain. She's so, oh my God. Wow. Then how can I live with that kind of person? This person that don't have future. Good morning, my love. How you dey? Keep it with Victorious. How my baby girl and the boy. Oh, they are okay. You know? This woman, she has nothing to offer. Only what she have to offer. 25 euro. 25 euro, you send it to Nigeria. 25 euro, don't see it, because now 25,000 naira, now she they give rich. As I say at this moment now, 25 euro now. I think 25 euro now is good to give you. Yeah, 25 euro is good to give you 25,000. Yeah, 25 euro. Let's just say 50 euro now can give you 50,000 naira. 25,000 naira, 25 euro can give you 25,000 naira. That is only what she can offer you. 25 naira. 25,000. That is only what she can offer you. For euro currency, for this thing, pound. Now, I say 1 pound. She used and take turn to 1 pound. I said, what is this? 1 pound? I said, can't you even use your brain? Even if you say now you can't date delinquent pass. Can't you use your brain? Take the note of pounds. Check it. Check the alphabet. Whether na 1 pound, 2 pound. When they talk of that time when they say this when they say crayfish with earring together that year. When she dey tell Monica say she don't dey sell this thing. Now tell her say wait till you dey show Monica. Crayfish when Ghana people they shade necklace when Ghana people they shade John necklace for open market for Holland. Now you they show person. He go say, Monica, you see this thing? You see this necklace? If you want buy an 5 pound, now I go to say, what it be 5 pound? Pounds. Now you take talk to pound. I said, seriously? Are you kidding? Ito mumu. They follow this. I correct this woman. Correct. This woman. If you want go this thing, if she want go do live, then the head of this thing, the program when she go do, she will go meet person. The person go write am for her. She go send this. She go bring this something for me. She go say, see wetin the person write for her. Make I help and read am whether e correct. I'll say yes, e correct. He go say e not correct. I say why not take correct? The person when write this head for you, he correct. You bring am come for me. I still read and say he correct. He say if they think and say not correct, now tell us say now because say you no go school. Okay, you go give am to another person. By the time 5 people tell you say correct, then go use and go put am for the head of the live video when you want the talk. Now I want to not talk say who you they talk to say. He say me wa regbe nye me fo. No say me I be jovial person. The place I go they follow you they do friend. I go they tease you. Now I want to not to say who they listed to you. He say why you thought that one? I said you don't know how to read. How you take they proceed? You can't read. If they write comment for them, you don't know how to read. Now I made that look you again. Made you with Corey, with Anita. No, na they teach me how to they read. She don't know how to read anything. Pan. I bought this one 50 pan. I buy this one 1 pan. I say what is 1 pound? Please, can't you go to school? Just go. If now 2 times in a week you they go, I think it's going to help you. Yeah, 1 pound. Since when you enter London, now we come to hear 1 pound because if London people call me, if they want to buy something sometimes, maybe if now the something went for euro for a year, I feel tell them say 252 euro and 50 cents. You know, so if you want to buy something now, then the person will come to me and say, okay, that means 255 pounds. I'll say yes. You'll say okay. You see, now I come to say, where this woman for the year pounds? Now I say pound. So ridiculous. One day she they say pound. I come to say not be pound. You say, and I say it's not pound, it's pounds. He say, he don't know how to talk. And I go to say, okay, you still pounds. The alphabet not too much. You just carry on. They practice on pounds. Not be pound. I say, what is pound? Come reach today. Now pound. Now this woman still they talk. Nothing. Only this one. She go they do makeup. Her makeup no get name. Her makeup no get name. She don't know what to be concealer. She don't know what to be nothing when she know. I don't know. You don't laugh. Oh my God. She's so relevant. Idiot. She's always the first person to make friend with a new presenter. Yeah, oh my God, how do you know? You know this woman, I've never known this woman before. Since I've been Europe, I've never come across this woman. Even this woman's shadow. I don't really know this woman before, to be frank and sincere. A lot of people think that I know this woman before. I made them to understand, you see this woman, I have never come across a face like this. Just I saw this woman on live screen. Now people go to say, really, are you serious? I say, yeah, I've never seen her before. But people go to say, but the way both of you are close then, I thought that you were a friend before the live video starts existing. I said, with the Ishan, once you say, oh, we are bad, we just be like, say, you don't tell when we know. When we don't say, Mama, are you there now? You be Ishan, you say, yeah, you say, Mama, are you there now? You know, we don't always use the respect, even from Benin. When you see Benin person, you say, we are bad, yeah, you say, we are do, you say, yeah, we are do, you say, no, we are do, but me do. You see it? You happy to see somebody that that even understand your language, or somebody that you speak the same language together. That is how many people just come that and say, mama, person when you don't play for ground. Now Facebook, now I call the quarter. I say, no. I've never seen this woman one-on-one. I've never seen this woman before. I've never come across this kind of face before. I saw, she's the one that called me one morning. She just called me, she said, yeah, blah, 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 blah. She start talking, she talk. I tell her, I said, this is too early. This is morning. It's too early. I have something to do. You know, I tell her, okay, you can call me later. You know, she just hold line. Seriously, early morning, she just called, she just hold line. I said, no, I have that. I don't get that time. You know, my children was still small that time. Then, before you know, she started to call me. Sometimes she go call me, I want to carry phone. And I can't look at, because me, if I want to take you as a friend, I watch you, not the kind of character you are. If I can move with you, then I continue. If I cannot move with you, then I have a way to cut people like this out of my life, you know. Then she started calling, blah, 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 blah. She's the one that always call, you know. Because I just see her. I ask her, where is your husband? She told me that that she don't have husband. Oh, I said, wow, okay, what of kids? Do you have children? She said that I have 4 children. Seriously? You have 4 children? He said, yeah, because then I don't know her. Until we dig and we see that when we dig everything out, we bring only one pikin come and say, she have only one daughter. She can lie. She can bring a word that she will enter you like this thing, maggot, start digging your flesh. That is the kind of person she is. Sometimes when she called me, she asked me something that I don't even want to discuss with anybody, you know, past. Something that happened 10 years ago. This woman, she want to bring it as a present. Something that happened 15 years ago, even something that happened 20 years ago. You know, I'm that kind of person. If you are my friend, maybe we just know. At that moment, something that is happening to you at that moment, that is what I will participate with. The one that passed before you know me, I'm not going to take you back to your past. I don't do things like that. You know? That is how. Even Meriados can confirm it. There is a day Meriados say, mama. He say, do you know why I like you? I say, what? He say, you know they ask Percy, wetin happen to Percy for past. He say, me with her don't they talk now. For more than 1 year. I never ask her anything about his life, about past. Now tell Mary say, you see me, I don't dwell with past. Because sometimes most past is not good. Most past, I don't take people back to their past. Because even if you were okay with that, your old past, there is some things that was not okay in that your past. That there is no way I can take you down to your past. And I don't love living in past. I'm that kind of person. I love living with present things. You know, that is me. You know, Kofi just come. Me with you will consider, you shall consider. Come they tell me about your past. I'll say, no. I beg, please, about your present. Those children, they are growing up. What you will do now, just they think how you will take care of the children. The next shoe, when they go wear, the size of shoe, the stockings, the clothes. That is what you need at this moment. Because your children, they are growing up. You won't sit down and I will sit with you there. You take me to your past. What am I going to do in your past? Your past is not, if it favor you, you know what they talk about. You know? Then, sometimes she will just come. She just thinks something years back. She just like sometimes she want to go to that place. I say, oh my God, seriously? Is that how you behave? Going to something that passed 5 years ago, 6 years ago? How you take born? The time when you born for hospital, how you be? Are you serious? And you are not a new baby nursing mother. You don't nurse child at this moment. Why are you asking me? Why are you asking me? Then I said to her, oh, are you married? He said, no, that she's not married. I said, oh, you are not married? He said, no. Okay, do you have kids? He said, and she have kids. I said, okay, where are your kids? Are they with you? She said, no, that the kids is not with her. I said, oh, where are they? She said, they are in Africa. Then I said to myself, oh my God, seriously? Then most people, most women like her age, most of them bring, all of them, they bring their children down to Europe. Now, the one when frustrate inside. Now, they don't bring their children come Europe, you know. Yes, now don't bring their children. Any woman when you see say no carry pikin come Europe, you know say the woman frustrate. Now me when they talk, not be school, not be the pikin to go. Some people Dave, their pikin go university, they finish university, their pikin they come Europe. If you say you no want come abroad, your mama go do paper for her. Once you visit your mama, then all the time go they come. Your mama will they renew a document for her. If you like to live in Europe, you can stay in Europe. If you want to stay in Africa, you can stay. Most people from Nigeria, they have European document. Their mother give them that European document. Even their mother will say, you can't they stay Europe now. You will say, no, mama, I love to stay Nigeria. Then every summer, they'll come, they greet their mother. And this woman, she said she have 4 children. She never bring any of them. Then before she starts fooling herself, this woman, she will just fooling herself. Then the other time she said that I'm the one that sent her to go and insult Monica and Lolo. I say, are you serious? You think if I want to talk to these people, those people, they may hege for my hand. Even those 2 women know say Lovely is a troublemaker. They know. When we were saying it, and Lovely send me message, those people know that Lovely cannot send you message. Even if me with those people, we quarrel that time, they know the kind of soft and made them. Else I don't be that person when be saying they everywhere. You know? Then I said, where are your children? Say, yeah, the children there in Nigeria. I said, okay, who are you living with now at this moment? She said she live alone. I was, oh my God, you live alone? How old are you? She's just start saying rubbish. You know, before I make friend with you, I have to know who you are. I don't just jump into friendship, you know. Then she was alone. She said she's alone, something like that. I said, oh my God. Then later on, then when the guy that is pulling her, you know, they have one guy that was pulling her. Then the guy don't live with her. Whenever the guy came to visit her, she will call me. One is here, a parelana. Oh my, and I don't like that kind of a thing. A parelana. He say a par day here. That is one even now. Then the uncle, I will say, one good afternoon, sir. I will say, no one say, but yeah, we just greet like that, you know. Then I will not pass with you. Just the open teeth. I say, because the kind of life she's living, I don't like to live that kind of life. No. I don't like. You can't draw for now. I say, what's this? Maybe this kind of woman is a woman that changed man, like as woman take the change rapper, you know. As big as this woman is, even if say you felt married before, you don't want to marry again, you have to date with one man or something like that. You don't show people. Everybody that was with this woman then, everybody that was with her. Now, so if they show the man, why gonna net her? Why gonna not tell? Won't say, mama, you see they do you? Let's say that is what she always do. Or why gonna net her? And I want come to say her sister, oh no, Bernard. I'm not going to all door. Now say no get husband. Now man I get as a friend as big as she is, you know. Everybody know. Then sometimes when most of them ask, why ki work or why she win now. Then one person asks us that time we did this thing together. When she dey fool herself, you know, she always fool herself. Then they ask her, why ki will, why not they house? Now one come and say every day by day, why not they house? Every day by day, or why not they house? You know. Now I will come cut her off, you know, and she's so irrelevant. They will cut her off of this thing for. Then me with those people, we start to they laugh. Now I tell they say, oh, why this woman no get husband? My boyfriend and she get. Every day, anytime you say oh, where or why, I will tell her say, for where if the man can't greet her, now she go call you once the man just they enter there, she will just call you say, oh why ribe na. And that kind of things, don't call me out for that. Me, I won't be person where they give my body see finish. I know myself, you know, I know myself. I'm not with that kind of shit, you know. I don't do with that. Because they carry man, they show man, say, see my boyfriend, see my boyfriend, see my boyfriend, see my boyfriend, see my boyfriend. This woman, she has no man. She just there. Sometimes, honey, give me water. At the end of the day, she will get up and take water by herself. Even when you have little children with you at home, or maybe your friend is with you, he can't greet you, they with you, say you day life. You'll say, I beg, please, can you help me with water? You go, you go bring the water, cause you go see her doing is. Even if say you don't see the hand, you go see, say, person give you water. This woman no. Now she go say, honey, honey, give me water. At the end of the day, then we will see her doing bring that water. She will still get out. Do you know, when she's fully herself, she think that people don't know the kind of soft that she's made on. I know the kind of soft when this one made on. Do you know? Then after she say on her live video, she want to promote herself like a married woman. She say, honey, give me water, drink a wine. Then, well, you know, when she speak Ishan, a lot of people there won't understand what she said. Then she have to bring it out in English. Wine, give me water, drink. Then, just wait. After 1 minute, she will go up. Then she will go and take the water by herself. Then, do you know, if she don't want to have shame, then she will say, I request you want where you say, if you send a message, you know they go. Now lie, because she say shame don't catch her. People go understand and say, you when you say man give you water, man they with you for house. Why you can't get up, go take water by yourself? You're gonna tell say, if you send the man message, the man not they go. You can never send this man message when the man go. She was not with anybody. She's just alone. Whenever you see her, do you know what she normally do? The time when she started fully herself. That is why when she comes, she don't talk to me because she has nothing to say about me. Because I never gave her that chance. I don't open door for this woman. I don't give her a back of door, make it they open. Whenever she call on me, did you know what I normally do? I'll just close my door. You know, say front and you just close your door. If I close my door, I put the key for inside my pocket. I don't tell her, say, they open the door. She don't know, say I don't already close the door. You know, I close door for years. You know? Then when she go, that time when later, that man not come, they come, he has again, come be like say the man come tell us, you know, say that time she never dey fool herself like this for Facebook where. The man come tell us, say, the way when she take the fool herself, she know, he no like her. Make it dey respect herself. You see sometimes, you know, call the fool herself again. Then if he come see, say, later, she will come again. When you come see, say, the man don't they come again, you will come start to the fool himself again. When he say the man no gree come, he go they beg the man. The man will say, no, he know they come again. Because the man, that man take years for her to push this woman away from her life. She go beg, the man will say, okay. Then she go continue again. You know, she's a foolish woman. You know, you don't know the kind of, whether you go follow her for right. If you follow her for right, she's not doing well. You follow her for left, she's not doing well. You follow her go front, she know they do well. She will follow her go back, you know they do well. You just stuck for one place, you know. Or that be, or that me. Or that be oh me, you know me now. That this is when borrow pit. And so it be, no say borrow pit, not they flow now. And so it just be. Then the way, you know, the man thought that he's going out with a matured woman and somebody that have brain. You know, when you have brain, you are going out with somebody that don't have brain, especially delinquent. You know, say delinquent, they say delinquent. Moron, they say moron. You know? This man was trying. The way he was doing with this man, it's like, this man, they know they connect, you know? The man will say, no want again. I don't need this thing. I don't need that for my life. I don't want to make, they can't use and do saga. Do you know what, Now God save him, now God save him say, sometimes we won't be Ishan, we know they like to disgrace ourselves like that. We know they like to disgrace ourselves like that. If not, I cannot because of Okbaika, I know they insult an Ishan man. You know they possible. If not, that is what that man don't want for his life. The time when me with her the quarrel, now dear, the man come to say, the man cut her off. Can't reach today, you know, get boyfriend. Maybe now they let her come the fool herself. Because a lot of you talk say they fool now. She's the one fooling herself. From 4 years now, can't reach today. Even if say she they do now, maybe they'll just do and come on for there. You don't get permanent boyfriend, you don't get permanent man. Why cannot get permanent man now? When it go reach my turn, say she won't start to they do anyhow. Now the man just get opportunity, just cut her off. The man say never, never, you know, never, he don't want again. And so the man tell leave her. You cannot live with, say that they really see illiterate. Say illiterate. Are we going to say illiterate? Because there is some people, when you call them illiterate, when you teach them something, they will even know more than you. You want to teach them. I don't know the kind of word I'm going to use for this woman. And this woman, she can never live with people that is learned, people that have brain. She cannot stay there. When you have brain, you stay with this woman, you are gone. You are gone. When you have brain, say, now this woman, now you want to stay with, you are finished. Oh, my love, good morning, how you doing, Victoria? You are finished. Because there is no way this woman will learn from you. Only what this woman will do with your brain, it go paralyze your brain. Do you know that time when they call me sometimes, and they don't go backyard? That is the only thing I can offer myself by discharging her. I don't go backyard. Sometimes if I don't want to go backyard, what time they do? I don't do my, say, has internet now. It connect with my phone. Has internet. As I internet, connect with my phone. If I don't do it sometimes, I'll just draw a call, I'll just off the internet. Say if you off internet, it will be like say they break. Later, it will make people, it go cut. That is the only thing I can use to help myself then. When she come to me, it's a person that you cannot direct. When you direct her, she is taking you to a wrong place. This woman, when she used Tonton, navigator, when this woman use navigator, this woman, the navigator will say, please, I'm tired. Go this way. Why are you going right? I say you should go left. Why are you going right? The navigator will say, not left, not left, not left, not left, not left. The navigator will get tired and he go off himself by himself. Yeah, when this woman use navigator, they call him Tonton, yeah. If you use navigator, when you don't use navigator, now we just set your navigator, okay, I'm taking you to a destination which can take you 10 kilometers or 100 kilometers. You will say when you move a little bit, you navigate, turn right. When you talk back, I say turn right, talk back, I will go left. Then the navigator's got to off himself. He go say, now mumu, now he dey control. That is what he was trying to, they use me, they do that. I said, no, oh my God, I can't. The only what I will just do, I'll just off my distance. I'll off my internet. That is only what I do. Because if I call the phone, she's going to call me back. I'll just off my internet so that she will think that is internet, the network is waving. There is no network. Oh, she will confirm it. I always do it to her. She will confirm it. Then after some minutes, then I on my internet back. I will come see a lot of missed call. She will call me. When I off her internet, I know that she will continuously to call me. What I will do, I will just take a break. I don't go on the internet. Then when I go on the internet back, I feel see her 3 missed call or her 2 missed call. Then before you go, no, she will call in. You'll say, hey, na internet, be the na internet. I'll say, hey, na internet. When she go still just they talk, I'll just see put hand, I'll just offer. She always get problem with internet whenever she call me. She go even talk and say, your internet self. Now every day just they get problem. I was the one that is putting her in a wrong internet because I don't want to speak with her. Because she take you to a place where you don't go understand. She's so naive. She's so stupid. Delinquent is, I don't know what the word I will use for this woman. She's just like that. She's everywhere. This woman, there is a day she called me. When she called me, she said that Monica will all the insultancies. I said, where? Are they on social media? Are they on live video or what? He said, no, they're not there live video. I said, they are not on live video there. They have come that they insult you. She said, whether now they call her, I been now she called them. Now they come they insult her. That time down they say the one when they inside when get 3 children, that one they call her Okpaka. Now so Okpaka, that one they call Okpaka. I know I can tell her, say, come on, what's your problem? I I tell her, say, did you have problem with your brain? He say, why I talk like that? I say, I don't understand. These 2 women, You people, you don't play, right? He said, yes. Also, I said, okay, they will call you on phone. You will pick or you will call them. How does it work? Do you know what she said? She said that they don't call you. He said, whether Monica and Lolo don't call me. I say, seriously, what am I going to do with them? We don't call each other. He say, they call me. If they call me, they will insult me. Now I tell her, say, you two bring yourself down. Now wait and tell her. I tell her, say, from today, if they call you, know they pick call again. I think say, now person when they relevant. I don't know say na irrelevant person. How can somebody be insulting you? They go call you. 12 they go call you. They insult you. You go pick the call. No, this woman, she be useless woman. She's so useless. She's so useless. Not only me one, tell her more. If get another person, she still call that one. Tell that person, say, see waiting the Monica they do. And the person can tell her, say, I think these people that they fight. He say, yes. He can tell her, okay, why you they pick their call? Did you know she picked those people call as foolish as this woman? This woman, she's so ridiculous. You cannot place this woman in anywhere to describe her. You know, when you want to describe something, you have to place something to something. If you want to describe that person, it will be very easy for you to describe. But you see this woman, oh my God, this woman is bullshitting. I said, seriously? When they call you, you be on phone with them. She said, yes. They insult you. Then you open your ear. All your insult, you use it to bath. He said, yes. I said, oh my God. Now for my mind, I say, oh no. I said, this woman, she's a moron. Yes. Even moron, I don't even know the word when I go use for her. Even if they drive foolish person, now if you see say you they drive, and if they come, you go follow another street. You will say, if I read them now, these people, they will laugh me again. You will follow another street. But this woman, no. Then when she say, Monica and Lolo, no, they call you. I say, oh my God, why? They don't call me. I don't call. They say, they call you. I say, no. What I want they call them for? When I tell them, say, these people, they call me. We know they talk. Now tell them, say, when those people call you again, if you don't like it, sit now, insult them. I can tell them, say, how you go there? People when they insult you, why you go they pick their call? As foolish as this woman is, people when they insult you, they pick their call. When she went out that time, she said, "Now me tell her make her insult Monica and Lolo." Really, seriously? Because you are so foolish. You don't even know your right from your left. You want to bring me down to people when be say, I lawyer pass, not be by mouth. Yes, I senior them. You don't bring me down to the people when I senior. You know they possible. But see when I senior, no fit climb on top of my head. You know they exist. As far as I senior them, they will stay under me because I'm their senior sister. But you reduce yourself. Now they come to insult you. Yes. Because those two women, they're not senior me. There is no way I can reduce myself to them. Because I be their elder sister. Now they say mama, they say papa, we get you. Now know how many years I take senior them. Then she couldn't fool herself. This is her life. Look at Mama Suzy when she break on that day. There is a word when make me open this video because this woman, she's so stupid. Talking about this woman sometimes, we are just saying it because we are using it to mock her. Not that she's going to change. For over how many years now when this woman, they do live video. Did you know how many live video presenter don't jump this woman? Anyone that just call me, she will be their friend. I don't know who. Nobody is dragging live video presenter with you. You won't say the time they call me. You know they call this live video presenter. You with this live video presenter, no they talk. You with this live video presenter. I say, what am I going to say with them? They broadcast their live video. I broadcast my own as well. Must I pick for call they call them? Wait, I want call they talk. I want to make friend with them. I don't make friend with people that I don't see for ordinary ground. Now people when they far away. How can that friendship work? It's not going to work. Then she started fooling herself. Because they tell say, now lovely, say make I come insult. The other day now she still put the life for Mama Suzy head. And they boil my this thing. Maybe later I will come cook this thing. I won't cook my okra soup because me I'm on chosemo. You know? She won't talk. He say, nah, Mama Suzy say make they insult Benin people. But the other time, she said, nah, me send down. Later, she come sit talk say, nah, sea never dry, sea send down. Everybody else, they send you message. And the people, when they send you message, you senior them to see the kind of foolish woman you are. Then, there is a video when AB Paris blog. As I just the roll and they come, now I just see, say, she dey fool herself. I say, let me listen to what this stupid woman they talk. You know, because she know they make sense. She can never make sense. I have never seen this woman one day say, she go see do live video. People will see praise and say, this live video when you do for year, you try. Her own not be like that. Her own must to be, it must to the volume person belle. Because her word no fit, no, her word no fit ginger me. Because why? She know they make sense. She's a senseless human being. She's a notorious senseless fool. You know? Then she said that anybody that go back to a live video that spent years, then you bring it to present again, say that person nowhere. Oh my God, I say hand of applause to a foolish woman like this. So, I know that say you don't feel well before. Because that video when it happened, inside last week, nobody go back to that video and bring it as a present. You are the one that bring that video to attack Mama Suzy. You just want to bring quarrel into Facebook. That is why you went to go and bring that video back. Thank God you see talk say people when they go bring old video come say they know where. Even if other people go they bring the video come. You yourself you there among of those people when know where. You say that they crazy. You are crazy. Your stupidity is somehow. You dey fool yourself every day. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You go Grace place. Grace, that one, you don't throw away you. Say you be stupid person. You go where John Lovett day. Or John Lovett, he throw away you. He say you be stupid person. No way where you never reach. And the other time, and she's asking John Lovett, where did you see money to build house? So what? Are you serious? You are in abroad asking somebody where is money to build house. For abroad. Person when they abroad, they ask some money where for some money to build house. Then they ask. She cannot even afford anything. She don't have a land, nothing. Look at the place where she's washing. There is some stupid people, sometimes they talk out of hatred. If they want to say something, lovely, come see your back don't they go Nigeria. I said to these people, instead of me to go to Nigeria and be like the way when or the day I wish be, I will take my passport, my Netherlands passport. I will take it to my commune here. I will tell them, please, you people should help me to hold it. They will say, well, I say, I don't want to travel. They will take it and hold it for me. Yes, I'll just take it there. I'll say, please, help me to hold this passport. I don't want to travel out of the country. But when I have this passport with me, I'm going to travel with it. They will say, okay. They will say, oh, is that what you want? You don't want to go out of the country? I'll say, yeah. They go carry and put on for, they get where they lock things, but they go lock and put for there. Yes, you get where they will don't lock and put for there. The people that is saying, lovely, come and see Edede na witch, come see wait Edede na witch, they better pass you. Oh my God, if Edede na witch should use this uncompleted swamp house, not be even get this house. These are not completed swamp house. If Edede na witch should use all this uncompleted house, this swamp house, they better pass me. I go carry 100,000 go Nigeria. I go tell them say, I bet me na help me use and take mode block. If they mold the block finish, I'll tell them say, me they help me use ass to break the block. If my level be in Europe, the standard of my level be in Europe, come disaster like this. My love not true. Can't you see? Somebody that came from Europe. See where he did. Oh, Jesus, no. This is a motivational speaker. What is she going to present here as a motivational speaker? She know the lay. I tell her, say, come, make I carry you go tinkle little style. Let me take you up. No, she not dey come. You when say now you they say do something back home. Me when just they talking for Facebook sometimes. I tell my people say, but I know they waste money. Did you know how many people I have put in a way when we say that they waste food before? They know they waste food again. I have put it in a way they go waste food before. So I go say, Mama, thank you. If I cook soup that time, if the soup just tire me, I'll just go throw away for dustbin. He said the way when you take the tell us, see the way when you take they put them for inside freezer. That's why they do it now. You preserve food by putting it inside freezer. You don't go just cook pot of soup finish. You just go buy, you get a plastic for inside house. You just turn and put them for ordinary fridge like that. 3 plastic of soup go there inside fridge. Now you can't chop some more rich. When you chop some more today, tomorrow maybe you can chop stew. Soup go there inside fridge like that. Stew go there inside fridge like that. Before 1 week, the soup go spoil. Fridge, ordinary fridge, now to keep fruiter and to make your drink chill. No be to put food. If you go Igbo house, you see all those food when they don't cook finish when they buy for supermarket. Now, if they just carry food reach house, if they want to just cook it food, now that first one, when they come out for inside freezer for supermarket, now they will quickly go put for inside fridge. May no mate. That will preserve food. Drink. Now that they put for inside fridge, water, Coca-Cola, milk, all those things, now that they put so that it go chill. But you carry rubber plate of soup put for its ordinary fridge. Before 3 days ago, they smell now. Then I tell them, this is how you preserve it. When you are done cooking it, this is how you preserve it. Put on for inside rubber, small. Then you pack and put for another rubber again, another plastic. You put on for inside freezer. That soup is there. Even you see some people now, you cook egusi this week, you just want eat. It tire you, you go through where. Next week you cook okra. Then the 3rd week again, egusi soup they hungry you. See, it's not even a week now you take throw away that egusi soup before egusi soup come they hungry you again. Then you have to do preservation. Huh? You do and put for inside freezer. You did there. Anytime you bring it out, when you just they bring it out, put them for microwave direct. If na semo you want it, if na rice, just put the soup for inside microwave direct. Put them. When you on and put them for 15. If you know one way, now you know how you go take they adjust the warming system. You know? You will not be like saying, now that day, now you cook. Did you know a lot of people that call me say, Mama, thank you. And they save money now. I know they throw away food they get. You say you go be like say now that day. Now you cook. I say yes, even if say you spend 1 month for inside freezer, it go be like say now that day when you go bring and come, it will be like say now that day now you cook. Then from there, you go know how to save your money. Food when you throw away inside this week. Before this last week, before this week go end, the same soup will come they hungry you. But if you wrap and put for inside fridge, you no go, you just go there, go take them. Like me now, sometimes I they get 3 type of soup for inside fridge. Like the one when I cook 2 weeks ago, I think it's almost 2 weeks now. I don't just tell you, I don't see tired. I want cook okra. If I can't see eat okra, and I say okra tire me, I'll still go back to that soup. Or I go cook another one, put again. Sometimes I they get like 3 soup for inside fridge. That is how I do it. I gotta say, you know what they get that money. Don't they waste money like that. Even rice where they cook. I know they pack rice put for fire. Now if I want eat white rice now half cup now they boil. If it's too much, we don't eat and remain. Now me with my second daughter, now we they chop rice. My first son, no, they eat rice with stew. Lie. Before my first daughter eat rice with stew, now banana they eat and without no banana, you know they eat. Then the remaining one, I will take and go outside. I will go put on for outside. Best go feed with this thing, the remaining rice. Did you see how I do it? You can keep your something. It go dead there. Then from there, you can keep money to they do what you want you to do. Then now, do you see? Now, I do a lot of things there. Even if it's only 2 people, they wash me. The people, they see they wash me. Then look at you. You have nothing to offer. All you have to offer is your frustration. They just and they ring people ear. We are not tired of listening to your frustration. Continue to they do it. Because I love when you disgrace yourself. Because you are a disgraced human being. She came out to tell you people, she asked Odulovette where Odulovette see money they build house. As stupid as she is. She don't know that this foundation you lay, when you lay foundation, you put something every month, every two months. When you get, you put, then your foundation is going up, going up, going up. When you don't put things at all, that is where your foundation will remain the place where your foundation is. The house when Grace go carry, like when Grace go carry Odulovette house come, I don't go to say Grace, you not doing well. Because that is the soft they are made on. Bringing people things, you know. And as you still do, and I see carry Odulovette come. Odulovette see how they pay for body. They say if they follow person, they do something. If they never do you that something, you not gonna say that something they pay people. Now, Odulovette feel it that that when he follow Grace, they do that. I say it's too barbaric act. It's not good. But today now, she's fighting for her own self. Because other people that they bring their family house come out that time and everything, those people, they still fight for themselves. You can insult Grace. I don't care. If you want to insult her for 25 years, oh my God, you can do it. Because it caused disaster to your life. Even you, Odulovette, people love Odulovette that time more than any other thing. Even Odulovette when Odulovette is not doing Saga, people are there. Will they laugh? That was them. Odulovette laugh. When you saw Odulovette, when Odulovette laugh, Odulovette go laugh, the laugh reach ground. You know they laugh and half. You go laugh, you go control where your head like this. That time when you start video, that time she laugh. She get joy that time. Where now? When you go with people that always bring problem to you, you will lost joy and lost peace. You see, today now, Odulovette now, she dey face waiting other people face before when Grace, they go bring things out. If somebody should tell Odulovette that Grace go bring your whole house come out, Odulovette no go. You go talk say na lie. You know, when you are building something, you don't have to show it out to people until you complete it. They go sweep everywhere, tiles everywhere, paint everywhere, decorate everywhere. Even the chair where you take they sit down for outside, where you go they sit down, put, they go get the way when they take they do one. You know? And it's unfortunate, Grace go bring the house come out. Then Odulovette now is fighting for her right, because the people that you people do the same thing with the other, years back, those people, they still fight for their right. You know? Why I'm saying this, I will say Okpaka don't see Odulovette house. Okpaka for not data say Odulovette can't tell us where you see money to build house. Okay, maybe the day mine will come out now. Because there is nobody is going to bring my own command. I'm going to use my hand to bring a command. The day I will bring my own command, they go say, lovely, lovely, say, where you see money to build house. If Atiti carry come out now, you'll see Atiti like that. If any mama when they Facebook carry their house come out, you go see talking where they for see money to build house, because you there everywhere. You know they plan. She don't plan. That is why she remain like this. She's everywhere. She can scatter. She go scatter and finish, and people go come. They will come use the stone, just and take stone and back. Asking somebody where they Europe, where they see money to the build house. Even for Nigeria self, some people that time, if there's brother that they tell you, say, brother, shut up. Man, I can't show you one house when your mate they build when they are abroad. Now that junior brother go motivate his senior brother for Euro. Say, bro, not to talk. How much they carry come? 20 naira when they carry come, you know, the let person hear what they get. Bro, come. Man, I can't show you house when it to her brother build for year. You go carry brother, go, you say, brother, you see this house? Now, the same time, now the person will get this house, it to her brother. Now, the same time, now na tell her bro, say, and the house fine. Now, there the guy will say, like to her brother build there, they say, yes. There, if the guy not serious before, he will go serious for his life. And then I wish I can never be you. I can never be you, never. There is nothing somebody will take from you, nothing. What the person want to take from you? Now she dey pack medicine for Mato. Everything that belongs to her, that she live with, she have to exchange those things to people. The time when she dey pack medicine chop, because say na me dey chop medicine. Hey, that one when they hold on. She dey chop medicine well. I never even from this woman present eat paracetamol one day. I never from the present, as I don't day live video one day, I will carry medicine put for mouth. No, wait till they chop the cashew seed. Now they chop with energy drink. She's the one under depression. She dey eat all the depression medicine. She dey eat this thing, waiting on the high blood pressure medicine. A lot of medicine she dey eat. And she see they go Nigeria, go they carry medicine for native herbalists. When they treat that is so when they leg for near this thing ankle. Now see her ankle. You get one so when they there. No say no be also the open eye. This one, you know, the open eye. This one be like boy. If you see and you say na boy, put something now, may you do one. No, for the eyes of people, it go be like boy, you know. There are a lot of things when she dey like to give person. Then Kate can't talk say see the way when she take the eat medicine. She even take Kate. There is some medicine they give her to be eating. When she eat it, instead of her to go and sleep, she don't sleep. She go come Facebook. She will come the dose for on top of live video. You know, she'll come the dose for that. She'll come the talk that blast because you know come normal again because she's supposed to sleep with that medicine. The medicine is working. She feel that she has brain. She want to work faster than the medicine. And she don't know that her body, the medicine don't already dey her system. The medicine is working. You cannot fast more than. There is some people now, when they drink paracetamol, when they walk up and down, paracetamol will they pay them for body, for belly. You see, like me now, if I get headache now, say I drink paracetamol, I know they walk up and down. Once I walk up and down, you go be like, say I want vomit, you go, they turn me for neve. A lot of people, that is why when you drink medicine, you relax. For the day and wish you drink medicine, you come Facebook. Then she begin to they drink water because she's talking. You know this saliva of a thing, before saliva form for your mouth, is part of the water when they your body, now it be saliva. When she's talking, the water when be say the medicine want to work. She go they use until they form saliva. That is why when you see she's drinking water. At the end of the day, when she will call drink water, the water don't over. You know, when the water come over, pass the medicine, then she will call the stagger for her live video. Now there people come they tell her, say, you don't do, go sleep. Because people don't they see eye. Go sleep. That time she don't come they talk, You know, go know what they talk again. That time, not be my topic. She did talk before. She'll say, hey, you see that my sister where they this thing, and that you do when I will carry can't give her. Hey, you see that one where they this one. She'll come they damn blast. Because why? The medicine don't scatter your body. They work for inside your head, inside. You know, you don't. This don't alright. Benon sorry. I can see that. When this woman she's done with her live video, she don't even go there and watch the live video. Say, what do I said here? Let me control the live video that I just did. In case of next time, you know the way you go to proceed. She don't know when to proceed and she don't know when not to proceed. And when she's coming on air, she don't have anything to say. She don't get topic. Even the topic that she bring, do something back home, we don't collect them for your hand. Nah. She can say, you should also say for Facebook, say, there is no saga. No saga. You don't check everywhere, say saga. No, the only way to, as I see me, so, this live video one, they did not tire me. I don't tire. I want to come, they do something. I bet. I want to go back to my widow program. I want to go back to my, this thing. This is only the woman that for good 3 years now, she go, they give widow food. with nylon bag. She started with a nylon bag, come reach today, now still nylon bag. She know they move forward, she know they go backward, she know they go sideward. She nothing. She just dey one place. Oh, I don't know the kind winch when your mama cut give you chop. The one where they not just say they progress at all. Now your mama just cut give you chop. Same woman that said that her mother chop winch made for progress. Person when mama chop winch went for progress, see where it did for. Oh, in the commenters. The day when una go talk say because say una dey journal they fight me. Una not go even talk again. They will say no, una no talk am. Lovely go come answer una. Come say see am commenters una come. If I can't reach Nigeria like this, can't stay for here like this. No be say na person now go greet. When I go see me now say, na person I lovely go greet. And I don't see my own house. I go bring something come like this. I bet no, na don't follow me again. No, na log out. You people should block me. If I should show this kind of, oh my God, just no be she get this hassle. But this is the place, if you come for abroad, this is the place where she dey sleep. I will say this woman, she's a relevant person. This place where she dey sleep, say, they not plaster this house. You know, if you give them 200,000, say, I bet why they plaster no one and nega. See, say, now here it goes, come they wash in yash. How? Jeko alwe, ome do something back home. What I want to do something back. Only when mama say, see me, say, aye. He said that picture will Joel of Ed put, we can later see for my wall. I say, He said, hi. He said, mama, say, chai. He said, the day now we to disgrace herself. She never expect this. Now I say, wait till you want to expect before. Because the woman, they talk, they for Facebook, for your mind, say, she get where she put herself. Now, yeah, she reach, she not pass here. The woman say, mama, say, he say, you know waiting she be the expect for the day now wish. I say, you know, not talking. He say the day now wish go day. If not just bungalow, if not 3-bedroom flat, they go just that place, you go find, they go tie the floor, you go design. He say, you know, they see some house. I said, they see her. He say, you go fine. He said, now that one, now he be the expect. Say they go bring a day now wish come out with. He says, see where they for bring a day now wish come out. Hi, Jesus Christ. Live video presenter. Bon, I can see una fellow. Wait, I want call una mumu live video presenter. That one, this one na Edede na wish livevideomumu.com. Now be this woman. Livevideomumu.com. This is the most useless woman. Jesus. Who they her right senses? When she go follow this woman for this thing, she want to be like Edede na wish. She not good for picking side. She not marry. She not still do house. Boy, I don't know what this woman they do for abroad. Yeah? When I ask this woman, I interview this woman because I'm good to interview so that I will know the kind of person I am dealing with. Now tell her, say, you don't get husband. I say, no, you don't get children. He say, the children go to Nigeria. How many? Whether I say 4 or be 5. Or till the day we go so low, I want daughter come out. As I look this woman background, I say, no. This is not the kind of person I need in my life. No. This woman, she's supposed to play with grandchildren for inside house. I don't need this kind of person. Then that is why I just say, I don't need you. Okay, now the window not open. Do it. Now go through for outside where the path not open. I make can be shut there. You know? That is it. No, it's just go. When you go outside, go receive a small. You go come back now. If you come back, I love the window back. You know, see the place where they territory. Look at the place. See, who this one won't motivate? Who is she going to motivate with this? What's this? What's this? What's this? This woman, I can't tell her, say, she get house for Bini. She got back on street for Bini. Look at the place where she is at this moment. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. My people, the house when I showed her that time, I think 2 years ago. Now, that house there. One person can call me, say, Mama, say, he said, that house, now, I say, yeah, he said, he said, Mama. He said, that house, why not build that for city? Now, I tell him, say, another one at this city, say, hey. When I don't see as that compound clean, that compound from the beginning, when I use videotape passing, when I don't see as he clean, no part when they plaster, when they no paint, they plaster all, they paint all. Even the house when they for bury mama, now don't see the way when it clean. If I reach Nigeria now, make I go village, make I stay for the house. People will say, Mama, now house when you dey village, now you dey, so I'll say yes. If I dey Benin, go say, Mama, now house when you dey Benin, now dey, so I'll say yes. You don't come, not they come. This something they scatter my brain. You go they come want chest me. You go feel chest me. You don't bath. Everybody dey Facebook. That they make money for Facebook. Look at you now, asking Ojon Love, say, where for see money to do house. For your mind, say, now Facebook, now Ojon Love for see money when they do that house. Ojon Love lay that foundation, when they do and they go small. That when Ojon Love go house, I think it's almost 4 years now. That first house when Ojon Love go, the time when she buy that land, when she come to lay that foundation, it's 4 years ago. I think my people, not be 4 years ago. Yeah, it's 4 years ago. Somebody that is doing something for 4 years ago can't reach by this time. Progress must be now. Yes, progress must be. Because you don't do anything. That is why you don't get progress. Even people that start last year, they have progress. I pull up tap. This is Sean, it's strong. Now Sean want to use the whole day to cook. She did Facebook for there. She did jump up and down. She said she did lick Monica now. One day now, Monica now, maybe that one now, she go see the do house. She will come show her. That time go come say, Monica, where you for see mommy take view house? Monica, not be today. Where you for see money take view house? Now you do Ashawo, he pay 75 million. You know if he buy land. Person when pay 75 million when not buy. See how big smell. Big. See how big smelling. Not only to fly for night, she sabi. Nah. This woman say, even he say that they say that they give you a witch for cover. You know, if you go there, say they put the plate for there. Can't take your richness. You know, if no, you don't go there, go take richness. You go there, go they crack bone. Irrelevant. So as when Ojon Love they do since 4 years now, 4 years plus. Yes, COVID-19 never come now. COVID-19 never come. 2018. Not be 2018. Not be Ojon Love go has that time. Yes, it's 2018. 2018. Now Ojon Love go has that time. She buy that land for Lagos when she come to do something put. This woman don't know that when you are building something, your mind is there, you are putting your effort there, that's something go they grow. You go know what you they do. No. She go there, she go come they beg people. If I enter live video today, come help me. It's not lovely. You will come they dash these people. You go there, give me your address, make I send something for you. Give me your address, make I send something for you. The money she's supposed to do in life. One day now, that village when they go now, one day now, the people will say, I beg, go build your house. All those ones when she come, they tell and say, and I see this house, now me they build that. Oh my God, you people should see. Houses when they show for a walking, why is it since over 4 years now, when you don't they go house, the house still remain uncomputed building. No roofing, no zinc, nothing. To show you guys that she's not the one that owns those building. Now people building. I don't pay on the now let there you go talk and reach. Now look pay on the now see this house. Now see this house. Now see this house. If you can carry class, if they clear for them, now see this house, and they work for this house. Because when you declare grass, people will say, oh, be on one, thank you, you declare. Anywhere, if they go, you go carry class, come on for inside house. Go the toloto for where person building day. Over 17 years, over 7 years now, be 8 years now. Like say 7 years now. Okpaka move from Italy to UK. Okpaka have not still progress. With some people, they'll say, thank God though. They really say, they all they from one side, they look heaven. There's some people say, almost how many years when I stay for Italy. But I feel by land though, I not gonna feel complete the house again. As I just cross command for that country, go another one, come they walk. I don't finish the house. On that 3 years, I complete the house. Okpaka not get the one when she start. She not can't get the one on finish one. She not can't get the one finish one. She don't have the one she start. She not get on finish one. She not get finish one. 3. I don't know why. She thought say she demotivate people. I don't know the people when she demotivate oh. That day now, Mama Suzy say, I tell Mama Suzy, wait till the back her eye. Mama, no even pray may you get her. Because now it reach 4,000 euro when they take the remove her. It is a now 400 where 4,000 euro, even this thing and skin tag when they body, skin tag when they body, this skin tag when they neck. He get my mama. My mama tell me say, my pikin, I say, he said this skin tag, we can't find this thing, wait till they take the remover. Then we can't go one shop for here. The shop can't talk say, yes, say, they get cream when they take the remover before. If you just rub them, after 7 days, all of them go just burn, go come scrape, come out, go burn. You can't talk say they stop her. Now to go do one for hospital. Now got that the man say, oh, that they do one for. He say, yeah, that they do one for hospital. Hospital get the way they do one. A private hospital now they do one. Now mama can check. As mama can check, now mama can tell me say, yes, so say he see a mo. You know how much mama tell remove the tag? The tag. Mama spend almost 800 euro. He got to say, he say my daughter say, he say he dear oh. And mama know that mama, you know they like me anything day body. Now got to say, hey mama, he dear. She say he dear. Now got to say, but you not go pay the money finish once now. You go pay half, cause they pay the remaining one. Got to say yes, say now so he tell the doctor. You see now mama go clean am mo. Summertime, the time when they mama neck. Summertime, if mama say if you want wear open neck, shame not they let her. I say yes, you will go remove her. Wait till they use money do. Mama go through remove her. They remove every audio tag. They remove audio tag. He spend money 800 euro. Mama spend that. Some can't come. Now mama can't reach my. I tell mama say, now you get this some. I say my pikin. Hey. He say some can't come. Everybody go they wear open neck, open shoulder. You know they feel wear open shoulder because of the something when it dey in neck. You know say some people know they like her. Some people just they carry and come out like that. But my mama not like her. She go do 800 euro. Now she go there do one. Now mama Suzy they talk say if she get waiting they back her. Mama not even pray to get that useless thing when they back her eye. People when get that thing they go remove her. They now wish supposed to go remove her. She dey tell me say she want go buy land. Mama person got to say for how many years since Okpaka enter Europe. Now she want go buy land. They build house. Now say yes. Now the woman got to say which house she want build. I say she never know. She never know how much be this thing. Tile floor. If he know, he go know say to build house It is another house when they build that time, when they say, if you see this aluminium when I use, now this aluminium now I can use. Now, you know, if you buy wood to roof house, you know, if you buy wood to roof house, you know, she know if you buy roof to roof house, she know they change roof for old house. She know they put roof for new house. She know they put gate for new house. She know they paint old house. She know they paint new house. She just dey Facebook. If it not be me today, it go be Lolo. If it not be Lolo, it go be Ojolo Vet. If it not be Ojolo Vet, it go be Untouchable Mama. She's just jumping from one pillar to post, one pillar to post, one pillar to post. See your life now. Agbishen call. You see her motivational speaker when she says she be do something back home. Hey, anybody that see this place where you they wash pants so she got the house where she they go stay if you reach Nigeria. Below point when you bomi and zin. Now I tell her say as stingy as she is, she can't even buy benzina for fuel. She go there inside darkness. You not get money. Why you they go house? Now they say, not everybody they go Nigeria when person go they talk say, I want to they imitate her. I have imitate this idiot. Who they imitate this one? Look. Eh? You everybody come and look. Look to see where this woman dey. Now because they follow me, they chest her. Go gather children when they take care of their little baby. Instead of to let these young women go follow real motivational speaker, maybe they learn from and they park, sit down for the day place. They can't pass it down for the day place. And I can't sit down for them because the day, as my person talk, the day is a poor person. The day na poor person. When I can't take on herself, reduce on herself, go stay there. Woman when they train children, when they see eye to eye, when I not go there, go there listen. Now I go meet Edede. See Edede now when I go meet. Waiting like me now, a lot of people like some young girls when they take care of their children. So they call me sometimes say, Mama, say you say, you know why I like you? I say you say your children, even if say I know they see them. He said the senior one when they inside the day when they talk, go say, wow, now mama lovely pikin be this. I will say, make mama just show. He said, he can say, make mama just show you pikin one day. I tell her, say, my sister, I know they show. He say, you know, say, I don't want show. I say, I know they show. He say, he love to the mingle with people that know the worth of children, that know the value of children. Okra. That know the value of children. No, they don't wish because they say, we lovely. Monaco, they insult lovely and say, look at these bitches. Bitches. Instead of because they cry, lovely. Another way to they don't wish do you. I say, go take care of your pikin and stop to the fool yourself from where they don't wish they. Are you serious? Are you serious? Me, before you come to Facebook, Edede na wish was with me. I see Edede na wish character. I say, no, I can't take this. I throw Edede na wish out. The day when Monica, when she said she dey eat shit today, Monica no use and take do live video. The time I push Edede na wish out. Monica say, lovely, she said the way Edede na wish they behave say no good. Now lovely suffer push her out. Who go take Edede na wish friendship? Maybe if I thought that one, I say, hey, Monica na my friend now. Because you know, Monica don't fit throw away you. You don't fit sweep you. He leave you for this thing. That this thing you be for money where Monica dey. Be via choy. Iyokebo no ru at this minugbo that entrance. I want barrel I can no arrive ni make they help you the guide farm. If you fair read then at Iyokebo now you go see now you be. Maybe sometimes they'll say, wow, you have no, Sadimi will toy. You working. You know, say that they see that time, all those plants, nyamo, many things, so now two that they see for this life, two type. They will say one day when they eat, one day when they know they eat. The one where they know they eat, now they now wish be. And that one where they know they eat, if you true uproot, something not the day under. Now let the body go big. Now the na wish be. It be like a wedu leaf. A wedu leaf get another one when it resemble one. That one still they grow yellow flower. A wedu they grow yellow flower. That thing that time when they do emiku. Benin people they call her ema baba. For each one they call her emiku. When children take they play. That time we say we want cook leaf. You go cut and they draw where. If you use and take cook, you go wash plate, all those magolo. You go they draw, you go they use sand, they wash and that time maybe for quick cut. Come on, so time we go carry anime sand, that orange where they wash snake that time. You know? Now we take they clean the plate. Now they didn't wish be. Commenters, una when they follow it, they didn't wish that year. You people should come and see person when be motivational speaker. But okay, it that your oh, Inesia. Me. Barrister lovely Eikioya. I'll reach Nigeria. I go stay here. Me go reach Nigeria. I go stay here. If I reach Nigeria, I see say my person, say na my friend, safe. Now I go greet. If papa house be like this, I will give am money say they plaster your papa house. Because why? I go dey come here. Me, I know how to do good for outside where. Yes. Look at the place where this woman is living. Look at the miserable life when this woman they live. That is why she's so fucking confused. Asking somebody that live in Europe for over how many years, asking the woman where she foresee money to build house. Are you serious? Are you real? The day when you go see my own now, wait till you sit up. The first time when I carry come out, when she come, they can congratulate. I say, look at this foolish woman. That house not be small picky. Don't take. She see that she say, even if any they carry. Congratulations. Now say fool. She be say she can't tell me say congratulations. I'll come make friend with her. No. I don't dislike you because there is nothing a reasonable human being is going to learn from you. There, why am I going to come to your place? I may dump you. Once I dump something, I know they go back again. If that dump any more fear since when I throw away you. Now different waiting I describe about you, the way I tell people about you. Now if people come they see for your body, can't reach today. You don't see your reasonable, your miserable life. You don't see your miserable life. Now she go sit down that time. She go one day she go the insult the grandchildren when Pisilia born for her. If you see children be like this, children not be like. You should not see my children. Children not be like this. Children be like. That's why they talk for them. If you talk for you, enter house. She come say as she come they talk. Me I come carry my children. Come then I wish come see my children. My children when they say my children be like. For where if you like talk from today go reach that kid don't come. Some commenters say make una know they talk say me Lovely bring your children come. Lovely can never bring her children come. Make una forget about Lovely children. Lovely when they know. Some commenters really know what I feel do. They know the stuff that I made up. Look at this elephant. See Nash. Look at elephant. Mugu. All of us say you are a mugu. A mugu when you know fit bring a pikin come Europe. A mugu when you know fit bring his grandchildren come Europe. A mugu when you know fit buy land. A mugu when you know fit build house. This is a terrible mugu. Aye. Do something back home. She did do something back home. She did do. For where? This one get money to carry gravel, tipper of gravel. Where she go get? She don't get. If he pay us rent finish, he pay light bill finish. We don't finish. She got the boss. You know how much I they pay? Lovely. I say, see me. You know how much I they pay for house rent? I they pay 800 € for you. And I say they pay money for government. Who get house? He must collect his money. Who buy must be buried. They know they bought here agbada. That means they tell say they pay 800. Even that 800 self. When you they pay Sef, if they pay me as if they pay that 800 or zuo, she not get better ready to. I wish you get a good ready to. You for go buy house. She not get better ready to, and she's over 50 years. She cannot buy a house again. Nobody will go sell house for her. Maybe as I thought this one, and she'll come and say, I want to go buy house. I want to go buy house. Nobody go agree sell house for you. Nobody will fit sell house for you because your age, you are above 50-something years. Because your maid, they don't enter pension. This woman, I remember small when you go enter pension. Person when want enter pension 10 years ago. I said 10 years ago, 10 years coming. Now government want sell house for. Now I won't buy a house. Maybe later they can say, because anything that I tell her, she want to use it to motivate herself. At the end of the day, she don't pass that stage. She cannot, even if say I talk her now, when she will on her live video now, she will want make on the broadcast waiting I tell her. In a way, she will feel say now she gets sense pass. At the end of the day, you say, I can't buy house now. I can't buy house. Lovely say make I can't go buy house because lovely say lovely say make I can't go buy house because why? The money when I they pay for house rent too much. Woman, the advice when I will give you, go for village. When you reach village, your money not will reach 800 €. You go find mini apartment carry. Maybe that mini apartment you can be paying 400 euros plus light and everything. It can be like 500. Now it better for you. The remaining 300 every month, they keep on for Agolo. Before you know, house when or John Lovett build when you won't buy yourself put. Before you know, you go try. Even if you say you know me say you go build 4 flats. Just build. Fine. If not 3 you feel build, if not 2 you feel build down. House na house. Then, as I say, maybe you go buy a house, because maybe tomorrow night you can't come Facebook or you can fool yourself. There is no bank when you go borrow you money at this your age. May you go to buy a house. They I always say you day around that kind 30 years now, 35 years now. Bank will say, okay, let's see. You still have like 30 years or 25 years when be say you still take work, maybe you can't they pay, Then bank will borrow you money. You see the way when I tell you about house now, because you see this house when I buy them. Now make me they tell you, I know how it works when you buy house. You see say sometimes we know they tell the day something again. The one when she go take better, we can never tell her. The one when she not go take better, now we they tell her. The one when she go take go sit down for darkness. Like at her age now, I think she's 54 to 55 years now. Yeah? Then now 67, 65, 66, 67, now people they take pension, right? Edede na wish, it not go fit. But you thought say now 10 years, now I remain for the day na wish to work now. 10 years, I remain for her to work. Or let's say her documents, maybe not be her real age. She put for document. If you go put on that age for her document, maybe for her document now, she feel they like 40 something years old. Some people they don't use their real age, Okay, maybe you can still go say make it go because now lie. Maybe at the end of the day, if you go test the blood, she say she don't old. That they see old blood, that they see young blood. When you go test your blood, they say now 55 years blood night day with her. They will say yes, we have run your sample, your blood example, you cannot buy your house because why did they do all those things? Because so you both don't know say the life of una age. You see, so that they go know whether you get strength to walk, reach that stage. At this moment now they cannot buy a house. Why they cannot buy a house? Because and the day is 55 years now. Then pension is 60-something years. How many years can remain when they want to work now? Remain 10 years or 8 years when they want to work. You see, Then they cannot sell house bank no go fit borrow you money. Bank can never borrow you money 8 years when you want come to work. Why our bank want to borrow you money? Who want come to pay the house rent from you? I will say it's long time. I will say it's long time now when they work. Long time. If I don't buy house, by this time now they'll say her money remains small when she go take pay finish. And this woman, she don't know the advantage and disadvantage for work. She just they work, they go. The real people that know the advantage of work, now they feel buy house. Her own advantage now be disadvantage. She don't know the advantage of work. I just they work now. She know. Lovely, merukweshin winner. There is some people that just work for nothing. It's just like when you pay house rent sometimes for nothing. Maybe you can see somebody who can say, how much did you pay your house rent? You say, they pay 700 euro. You say, why pay 700 euro? Just go and buy house. When you are paying that 700 euro for the house that you buy, then you will know that you are paying for your own property. That is, you see, if you follow you body waka, they will give you advice. They'll say, if you pay 700 euro here, you say, what's the need of paying 700 euro to somebody? Why can't you just go and buy your own house, be paying that 700 euro? Even if you buy your own house, you cannot pay that 700 euro. No, it's not possible. That is why you see some people, they buy their house, they get advice from the white people. This one that is just working, she just working. All the nays say, we just come for abroad, say we want to work for Europe. Now they didn't know which they work. She don't even know the advantage and disadvantage of the work when she they do. I said, they didn't wish now, they didn't wish cannot take anything on credit. Because she don't even know what she's doing. If they break, she go, she walk, they pay her salary. She use the one we want to chop. She use the one we want to do juju, go do juju. The one we want to share for live video presenter. They come, they insult people when they insult her. Those are the things that she know how to do. She's so irrelevant. Oduma like this. Time will come. That working when you go to sleep. You go bring disgrace for you. Now, Facebook for them, you better, you know anything that I say is always come to pass. Now Facebook will say, when mother you know they build house. You don't see your life. She don't even know how they go work, how they go. Some people go work for reason. Some people go work to achieve something. You see most people today that they go work to achieve something. This woman, she go work for Europe. She don't achieve anything for Europe. She don't even achieve something for Nigeria. Even for Ewokimi, the village for Ewokimi, she not achieve. Edo State for city, for Benin, she not achieve anything. Then, how is she a motivational speaker? Who is she motivating? Who should they motivate? How can you be walking, lovely, how they walk? Seriously? Even you that you say lovely, how they walk. At the end of the day now, if you want take passion, now when you start to they walk, now they go calculate when you start to they work for UK. They can't check and they'll say, and they give you small money. That time life go they hard you. Me, they plug me for year. They will plug me. More the system, more that they add money journal. That they add more they go, more that they add money journal. More my age they go, more that they add money journal. Because for year now age, now they add money journal your money. This one now just they motivate irrelevant people. Now, mad people, all those weak girls that time, when they sit down, they don't even know their left from their right. They start to they carry belly, they bone. Most of them now, they don't get brain. They don't learn mistake. They don't get time for mind. Again, if men they talk now, they'll say, abe. That one when fake give me belly that day, now they say story. The second one when give me belly that time, now they say story. You don't see corner, they say story. You see, now a lot of girls when they born that time, now most of them don't get brain. That is why you see Edede na which platform now. Small children know they call in there again. When Edede was doing live video, you cannot see a mature woman when they call in for Edede na which live video. Now little children, she was brainwashing them, lying to them that she has something, and when she don't have anything, she goes, "Say, "Mona, come, I got something pass lovely, oh, lovely. I got paper. Lovely not get document. I get passport. You see this passport? I said, no bother away. Now God gave me the passport. The day when I throw away my passport, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, she not do live video. I choking. I know the way I choking this woman. The day I bring her come, 3 days, she no fit survive her. I choking her. I always place this woman to a dirty place, to the swamp where she belongs. That is the place I they put her. Then most people never understand my way that time. Later they come understand, they'll say, he lovely. Now let lovely know how to place this woman to the place where she belongs to. I know that this woman, she's irrelevant. From a walking in, now dig this woman. Dig can come out. That is why when she talks sometimes now, she don't put my word there. When I said, let me leave this rubbish woman alone, I don't want to disgrace myself with this stupid woman. She not want rest. Until the day I throw away picky picture. You guys, did you know? One day when she was doing live video, she bring a score when they do wig. She bring her come, she come, they say, now me, she they beat. Lovely, I they beat you. Lovely, I they beat you. Lovely, I they beat you. I say, I'm going to give you fucked up. Gum Pisilia. Gum the one rubber. Pow! I throw one for Facebook for her. The person when the person deadline that day, she say, mama, say they didn't wish they use you do live video. I say, really? He say, yes. I say, wait till she take they use me do live video. He say, I say, go Chris shot me, bring and come. Me with the person deadline. The person say, you want enter life? I say, no, I'm not the enter life. He say, why she will? I said, go and Chris shot it. Chris shot and give me. Not tell me wait till they didn't wish they talk. Chris shot and give me. Now she Chris shot and give me. More the person with the talk for phone. The next minute, I don't put Edede and wish daughter Pisilia. Put on for my Facebook photo. And the person say, mama, say, he say, say, no. Don't post Edede and wish picky picture. I say, me. He never see the picture there with me. I just keep on saying, if he come back next time, come make jiggy. I go use and take stoner. We beat Edede and wish. Edede and wish know who beat him. Edede and wish know our set when we beat her. Now they can say, now they scatter Facebook, now they blog now. Anybody when you see these people, now these people now they blog now we should they talk. She knows say now we they blog we they give her woto. You know, we useless in life. Now the person say, I say yes. Now say where they now win. She say people come they write say. The day now wish lovely don't bring your picky come out. Now say where now she still there. He said the day now wish don't off live video. Now the person say say mama you bad though, you be bad person. She roll it out. You mean if I want to chuck you, I know they may ban a bill. If I'm doing it, I'll be laughing. You think say what they do now they laugh. But now wait till I go do you. Now they laugh. Say the then I wish don't come out for live video now. I say, why not come out? He say, how they see picky picture? I say, forget that one. We dey underground. We dey zolo the day now. One day, mama go come out. May not to talk. Inside that place where mama for they sell all this one naira pepper and salt. We'll bring it out. I will put on for. You know why? A lot of Asian people, they tell me, say, mama, bear, no bring your mama come out, no bring your mama come out. We don't get your mama picture. Just say, the woman, when you see the woman, she's an old woman, you know. They say, why are they look the woman sometimes. As Zenonoko is so fucking dirty. Woman that woman born reach 15 children. Oh. Back her mama born reach 15 children. Now guess. The rest, you don't chop and finish. Guess. Gbone sole. If I chop one part before you come, they burn another part again. I don't know the kind of winch when that woman chop like that. She die, she no gree die. The day when that woman go die, rain when go fall for a will kill me that day. Hi, when I go mad to that day, they will say, oh, lovely this sea official line. I don't want to you. Rain go fall. The Ezaghazagha. Now let God know. That I go gather money when you do your mama burial. You go soon you say your mama don't buy. Now me talking very soon. Your mama go walk in nanu almost see you. No see. Mama Suzy, you're going to say, Mama Suzy said that you should go and remove that thing for your eye. I thought that it's only me one that see that fucking thing that you have under your eyes. Go and remove it. You don't fall. Before you know now, that fat go spread enter eyeball. That time she no go dey see well. People go say she dey wear glass. She dey use glass they cover that thing. No be say she know how to read. Say she no dey see the alphabet well. Now make she dey use glass. No, now that fat she dey use until they cover. Fat. She's everywhere, disgracing herself. Saying somebody that went to go and bring past. Say the person you know where he dey crazy. And she is the person that went to go and bring past. Who is not crazy? Is she not the one crazy? She's the one fucking crazy. She's a crazy. She's so stupid. Huh? Come on, has this? You know, I am going to motivate you. Then I wish go buy land. Go buy land. Go and buy land. So they do a small. Maybe if you start now, maybe 5 years time. You don't see try. Don't ask John Love, say, well, John Love for money to build house. Maybe they can't ask John Love. That is irrelevant. What of the rest people when they see they build house? Other people they build. It isn't only John Love they build house. It's not only John Love. For your mind. So life video presenter that they build house. So they build house now. Not only John Love they build house. Okay, if tomorrow night, if all those one build the can come out now. You can't see they tell people say, well, those one for money to build. Okay, you are in Europe, you are working. The money you are receiving, what do you use it for? Edede and which? Boy, use only Gurelu. Come and tell us what did they use the money for. You don't fool yourself for Facebook. You know, this woman, she no get plan. Her mentality, her brain, no, they calculate 1 + 1 2. Her brain is just every time. She know the reason. She know the times something. She don't minus. She don't times. She don't add. You know they apply. You know they She know they minus. Apply this thing to this thing. Okay, minus this thing come out. She not just there. Her brain is not working to calculate. That they see somebody now. Everybody have brain when they take they conclude something. Her brain not they conclude something. Her brain not they start to manifest something. At the end of the day, her brain not they conclude. It just there like that. She's no function. This woman, she's so terrible. Asking somebody where they abroad, where for money to build house. So for your mind now say, as you know they build house, other people know they build house. Then I wish for your mind. You know, say if I do this video feeling, they say, lovely, come and show you my own. Lovely, come and show my own to you. Come and show your house to me. And then I wish I don't first show you old house. The old house, when you see that old house, the house was new in your eye. You say, oh, I will say now me get this house. And I'm telling you at this moment, I'm going to show you tear rubber. This latest roofing. Where I'm new, oh, lovely, you are that amigo. Oh, you are that amigo. They need agbo mission, like killing fly and chopping it, human being. You are just killing fly, you are just chopping it. Stay there, they deceive all those young girls. When they're supposed to they gather money, they use until they do something. No, na they na wish war. Make una they fool themselves for that. Una when you come Europe 4 years, 5 years ago, 6 years ago. As I tell they ask they na wish do something back home. Wait till you do go back on my show. They will still come ask you now. You people should by this time now, follow the right person. Edede na which is a wrong fellow. You should follow in your life. She not be activity of anything. She not be activity. You say this one na activity when I do this one activity. No, she just talk. She's just there. Looking the fire who marry. Now marry na be like me now. So they say, lovely, nagarukbe marry, lovely, nagarukbe marry. You even try go husband house. No. She never even try go husband house. I will still put water for this thing. This thing is strong, go. Man, yeah, leave one. Very strong. If I can't put the rest meat, maybe later we will cook this soup together. You see, huh? I dey cook that time. She can't come. She can't say now she know how to cook. She go cook a goosey. She go put pomodoro, put tomatoes, put paprika, put the tomatoes. She go put the tomatoes for ogbolo, put the tomatoes for this. You know they cook again. Useless woman. I know they wash her more. That woman. I can never wash her. Do something back home. The message now, Edede now we do something back home. No. My people, may I live with my own love. Maybe I'll come on later. But if I bath now, I won't go buy. You get one market where they buy some more. I won't go buy some more so that if I chop this food finish, and if I cook the soup finish, I will see some more to chop and not get some more. I won't go buy some more. Now they go bathroom. I want to go and bath because I want some cloth. The cloth don't wash finish. If I spread the cloth now, I go bath. See you guys. We see in my kitchen today. I don't even know whether it's like I don't come they use my two Facebook. Come they use until they do nyama thing. My people, I'm going to open cooking with the barrister with another phone. I get 2 phone for this house now. I almost get 3 phone for this house now. My children change phone. My second daughter changed phone. My first daughter changed phone. My son changed phone. I get 3 phone for inside house. I think I'm going to use one to open cooking with the barrister so that if I want, we must still gist. Me use the Facebook take turn to akmagiri. If you say you know to talk these people matter, you go still talk these people matter. The one if they cook, the one we want talk about Anita Epatiti with Mama Vivier Rojo. Now that one be one, that topic now be one talk. We could check, maybe if we talk or maybe we not go talk, you know. Sometimes people when be say I call them my own, if they quarrel, I know they one. That is me. I get one kind character. That is how. If you be many people friends, if you be friends to many people, like you are 5 in number, so now they do friend, or you are 6 in number. When you see say 2 for inside the quarrel, at that moment, just take yourself out of that place. If this one call you say one judge, tell them say no, I don't want. I beg, wanna go solve a problem by myself. You know, when they don't fight finish, you can come with them again. When they are fighting, you live there. That is why you see most people when they say sometimes will be friends for Facebook, all those live video presenter. I cannot say they are not my friends. We are there, that they follow me and they follow them. You know, when person they follow you, they follow the person. The person is your friend on social media. Even if you not be friend for ordinary ground, but for social media is friend. That is why they say I send friend request for you and they follow you. Follow person is you be that person friend. You are interested in that person. That is why you follow that person. That is why you send friend request so that you go know the activity when that person they bring on social media. If you go feel learn 1 to 2 things for inside. Why I'm saying this problem that they have now, I don't really know. Like Anita, you see that girl called Anita. If I want to talk on this issue, is Anita that I will talk to. Because that's something that Anita is trying to do on this social media. A lot of live video presenter, they have done it before. They have done it before. That is why you see sometimes, when you see Atiti, if Atiti they do saga sometimes, if I say Atiti they do saga with somebody that close to me, you don't see me in Atiti platform. When I see another person when be say, is still close to me, if they saga Atiti, I know they go that person platform. I will just ignore the both of them platform. Sometimes, if I enter there, I just give you like. You know me say now waiting you they talk. Now it make me forgive you like. You know? There is some word when you go talk before you go enter saga. If I see sometimes say, now fight, he quick me give you that like, and they remove that like. Because why? I don't want make another person when be our friend come see say I give you like when you the Saga, and that person go feel say see lovely for a platform, oh lovely go put like for there. If you see any like for there, just know say no be because of say the Saga you know make me pull like. When I enter there, he greets me, I pull like for the greet when he greets me, but you will see only one like now. But if I can't say they Saga you, you don't see 2 like for there. Never. Like sometimes now, if Atiti they get problem with person, Atiti fit come and say, ah, mama, see you. After Atiti says, yeah, forget that issue. You know? Then if Atiti decided not to forget the issue, he want to present the issue, Atiti go no say lovely, no they come. He platform. Atiti they talk. Sometimes Atiti come, you say, oh, come and say, he go say, I know they see you for my platform again. He go say, I know why. Atiti na person when he understand me well. Atiti go say, I know why. You know they come my platform again. I'll say, you know. He go say, yes. I'll say, okay. When you are done with what you are doing, then I can come there. You go, they laugh. That is it. That's why they do my things. That Anita, Anita comedy something, TV something. When you see the way when you take there inside this matter now, you know they click and wear. You there inside the matter, Atiti. You there inside the matter, Mama Joy. You there inside the matter, Mama Erojo, that is Mama Lawa. You there inside the matter, Andrew Omofoma. You there inside 4 people matter. And those 4 people, una they play before. I wish if I were Anita. You see those 4 people when they fight so, you go just clear. Andrew Omofoma, Atiti, Mama Joy, with Ivie Erojo, Anita clear out of that issue. Because the issue now, you got to see the be. It's like you they use until they rob yourself. And it's not going to help you. It's like, now you they cook this issue. If I were you, say, you don't top for this issue. Atiti call you. You tell Atiti, say, I don't top for this issue. I bet not coming for this issue again. You know? Sometimes there is a day when Atiti come call me, say, see, waiting, my brother they do. I tell him, say, forget or wine don't even Saga me for this thing. Forget or wine Saga. Even when he talk about this person, got to see with Johnny Bizugbe, they just they fight. Now go tell him, say, forget about Johnny Bizugbe. You know, that is how they tell they do something. I don't feel come John Atiti they beat Johnny Bizugbe, or I don't Johnny Bizugbe they beat Atiti. No. Then what Anita is doing at this moment, Anita, you know they do and where. It's like you they thought say, you know they scatter something. It's like now you gonna be amebo way there inside this matter now. If I draw more family and mention your name, say, oh why not mention my name again? If Atiti mention your name, say, Atiti, no mention my name again. If Mama Iviero, you mention your name, say, Mama, I beg, no mention my name again. At this moment, you know, consign me. If you fight finish, you continue. Now, I be say you see for social media, it's very difficult for people to count me just somebody say as they fight lovely they know. When I see that fight, you don't see me for that platform again. I know they go there again because at that moment I don't know how I want to talk put. I feel talk for favor of Atiti. If he verse Adromo for one, I feel talk for favor of Adromo for one. If he verse a party, I feel talk for favor of Mama Vie Rojo. If he verse a party, I feel talk for favor of a party. If he verse for Mama Vie Rojo, you see these people like if Vie Rojo now with Atiti they quarrel now, there is no way I can talk put. You know consign me because a party na my own. If Vie Rojo na my own, their matter. If I will say I want call in, I will change the matter for their hand. I will put them for joke. That is only what I can say. But the one when Anita there for inside so Anita, you see these people when they quarrel, quit. They block the blog when they do before because at this moment now, if people want to enter this issue now, you are the one when it be say, if they make this issue, they expand. This one, a party will call you for the issue. Mama Ivia Rojo will call you for the issue. Andrew one for one go call you bros, go call you, he will call you for the issue. See the three people where they do Saga now. Mama Joy go call you for the issue when they grant. How can 4 people be calling only one person for issue? Then don't tell us that the 2 were settled here. No, you cannot settle at this moment. One person cannot settle 4 people issue. Then you have to quit. Now that one can analyze later in the day. Let me leave you people for God's hand at this moment. See you guys. Love you. Bye.